This free tutorial will help you on how to expand the Windows Explorer folder view completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Assuming you have your Windows or you have a group of folders, in this case we're uploading content, and basically if you want to expand the view, as you can see, instead of scrolling up and down, we can even look to the side. We basically just drag the folder to the side, but sometimes you might accidentally drag it in one of the folders. So in order to expand the view, go to View, next to Home, next to Share, click the third option, View. In this case, as we see, we have small icons. You can click Details, but that doesn't really do anything. It might make it worse if you're trying to drag stuff to the side. Small icons work a little bit better, but you want to click the third option, or this right here, List. As you can see, you can drag it freely, and now we've expanded the view on Windows, as you can see, completely for free, so not everything is clustered.